All right, today we're going to talk about garlic scapes. Yum! All right, so it is late June and it's the time of year for our garlic scapes to be ready. So here we have some garlic growing, okay, and these are the scapes. What they actually are flower buds. So the garlic forms this long stem that comes up and makes a big curly Q. So it'll curl even more, sometimes 1 or 2 times, okay? And it's beneficial to our garlic to actually cut these off. If we get rid of this flower, the garlic plant spends less energy on flower and seed production and more energy on making really large garlic bulbs with lots of cloves, which is what we want. Okay? So all we need to do is go in here and cut them off right where this stem attaches to our garlic stalk. Okay? And we'll do one more here. All right? So these are edible and really, really yummy. Okay, they have a very mild garlic flavor. We can use them in lots of applications. Grilling them just as they are on the barbecue and then chopping them up to serve with steaks is super yummy. A lot of people make garlic scape pesto. So instead of basil, they use garlic scapes in a pesto, which is fantastic in a lot of things. You can make garlic scape compound butter. And add them to anything like stir fries, even finely chopped up into salads, things like that. They're really yummy. They have a very, very short season. They're really expensive to buy in the markets, but garlic is really cheap for us to grow, and we can get these for a great price, free, in our home gardens. So the end part where it attached to our garlic plant is going to be the toughest part, but you can eat this whole thing. All right, the finer you chop it, the less that toughness is going to be an issue, or cooking it, of course, will soften it as well. So I hope you don't forget to go out and cut yourself some garlic scapes from your garlic plants in the gardens and use them in your kitchen because they are yummy. That's it for today. Yummy gardening, everyone. Any more questions or comments, you can always comment below on this video or go to Gooseberry Gardens website at www.gooseberrygardens.ca.